Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of finance. You already know it's your boy. Let's to the EGO, guys. So, yo, guys, I know it's been a while since I've dropped like YouTube videos and stuff, but then, guys, I'm back, guys. And obviously, I'm back with more knowledge. And on this video, guys, I just want to show you how to make money, guys, the laziest way. Like, I just want to show you the laziest way you can make like serious money, right? Obviously, using my strategy, guys. This whole channel is all about making money, Forex wise, obviously. But then, yeah, guys, I just want to show you examples of the trades of which I took during the week, right? I also sent a signal on this. Obviously, we'll be looking at the pair AUD USD. And before we go any further, guys, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and obviously turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop new videos, guys. Without any further waste of time, let's jump into it. So, guys, I was looking at AUD USD, right? I think it was yesterday. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it was yesterday. Anyways, I'm gonna check and you should be able to see like the screenshot there of which has been displayed, right? So looking at AUD USD, guys, let me just remove everything. I just want to show you things from just the daily time frame going all the way to the downside, just so you can see how I was able to see these trades, guys, and make like guys money using this strategy. Like, this is the laziest strategy ever, right? So yeah, guys, I just want to show you, as you can see, guys, on AUD USD, looking at the chart from the daily time frame, you can see that price here has been moving within an uptrend. Why do I say so, guys? Because price has been creating a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then initially this is our highest high, right? But then what happened, guys, is that price now started going to the downside, guys, printing obviously lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, identifying this as now a downtrend. All right, so obviously if we see a downtrend, guys, what we look for is selling opportunities, guys. You wouldn't want to look for buys in a downtrend structure, right? But then this is only a daily time frame, right? So let me try to connect. Let me show you, not try to connect, because I already took trades on these on this setup, right? So if I connect my trend lines, guys, you can be able to see that, okay, we've identified that we are in a downtrend structure. Looking at the market here, we have our first touch, second touch, and obviously this is our third touch, right? On our third touch, guys, obviously it's where we would like to look for entry points, right? Like, because it's the third touch, guys, price rejected 3 times, so it's powerful for us to anticipate price to drop and respect the trend line any further, right? So obviously seeing this information from the daily time frame, guys, I was able to place my bias where it belongs, obviously with the sellers, guys, and move with the trend. You never go against the trend, guys. You always move with the trend, right? So obviously after identifying this, guys, I also saw that, okay, price was kind of testing this resistance level right over here, and hence you can see, guys, if we try to connect everything, you can see it's supported here, resisted, and resisted again, right? So if I move on to the 4-hour time frame, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, this is where I actually got my confirmations to take these trades, right? So on the 4-hour time frame, what I did, guys, I was looking for some sort of reversal signs to show me that obviously we are going to sell and take those selling opportunities, right? So spot what happened, guys. I noticed that price gave us a reversal candlestick. Hence you can see, guys, here we have a bearish engulfing candlestick, guys. For those who doesn't know what a bearish engulfing candlestick, obviously it would be wise for you guys to join my mentorship, guys, and yeah, you will be able to learn everything there. But then a reverse engulfing candlestick, it's a reversal candlestick pattern, right? Hence you can see this candlestick engulfed the previous candlestick, hence why we call it the engulfing candlestick, right? So seeing this engulfing candlestick, guys, confirmed everything for me. This is why I say this is the laziest strategy ever. There was no need for me to even go to the 1 hour, 15-minute, all those time frames, right? I only use the daily and the 4-hour time frame. So obviously seeing this market structure, it's a downtrend. We have our third touch, that's our second confirmation. We have this resistance level, of which is our third confirmation, and the candlestick pattern, of which is our fourth confirmation. And this is how I was able to take these selling trades to go all the way up, down with it, sorry about that, to go all the way down with it. And price is still dropping, guys. It hasn't yet hit our take profit, but we are currently running deep. We've been holding these trades from yesterday, guys. So yeah, man, this is the easiest and the laziest way to make serious money, guys. So if you have any further questions or you want me to drop certain videos, just let me know in the comment section, guys. And obviously if you found this video useful, guys, just thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, guys, and tell me what you think about this video. Unless, guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button, guys, and obviously turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new banger, guys. But then yeah, man, this is how I was able to chop up, guys, and kill the charts, guys. It doesn't matter if price I'm sorry, guys, I thought I was gonna cut the video there, but then it doesn't matter if price impulse, guys, as long as we have reversal candlestick patterns or reversal signs, guys, we take trades. It doesn't matter, right? As long as we all our trading rules have been followed, guys, we take the trades, right? So yeah, again, this is how I was able to kill the market and share this lovely setup in my free group. But then they didn't get the signal. Obviously, it's just for setups and stuff like that. So if you want to join my free group, guys, obviously you'll find the link in the description. And yeah, man, let's just chop it up and have a lovely year, right? So yeah, man, I think I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you like this video, and yeah, tell me what you think about this video and the type of content you want me to create in the comment section, guys. Otherwise, bang.